Hey everyone, so before we get started with today's video, I just wanted to say a massive thank you for the supportive comments I've been receiving on my past videos. I do read them all and they really motivate me to continue making content for you guys. Alright, so today I'll be showing you a really useful tool that allows you to never get liquidated for Aave users on Polygon. And this tool is a new interface built on top of the Gelato network called Cono Finance. If you've never heard of Gelato, it's basically a bot that automates smart contract executions. Gelato also built InstantApp's liquidity prevention tool, and if you'd like to read more about the Gelato network or take a look at the source code, I will leave those in the description. So when you're close to getting liquidated on Aave, Gelato will automatically take out a flash loan in order to repay some of your debt. And for those who don't know, a flash loan is a loan that doesn't require any collateral as long as you pay back the loan within the same block. So let me show you an animation of how flash loans are used so that you never get liquidated on Aave. So say you have a current health factor of 1.33 on Aave. And then supposedly, a bunch of people on Twitter starts to pump the asset that you just borrowed. So in that situation, your debt increases and your health factor gets really close to 1 to the point where you're really close to getting liquidated. And naturally in that situation, you like to withdraw a portion of your collateral, swap that into the token that you owe, and then pay back some of your debt. But you can't do that because if you withdraw your collateral, your health factor is going to drop even more. So with a flash loan, Gelato is able to borrow the collateral token, and then it's able to swap that collateral token for the debt token on a decentralized exchange like 1inch, and then pay back some of your debt to alleviate your health factor, and then now it's able to then withdraw some of your collateral and then use that to pay back the flash loan. So all of this would happen within the same block, so it would be instantaneous. And the advantage of using Gelato on the Polygon network compared to the Ethereum network is that the fees on Polygon are so cheap. So you're barely paying anything for these transactions. Okay, now I'm going to guide you through how you can actually use this tool. You want to head over to coco.finance and connect your wallet. Cono Finance is just a simple UI for Gelato's liquidation prevention tool. Just make sure that you are on the Polygon network. And once you are connected, you should see a similar UI as the Aave dashboard. I currently have mostly Ether as collateral, and I am currently borrowing USDC and DAI. So in order to start protecting your assets against liquidation, you're going to press Activate Protection. And for the collateral that will be used to repay debt, this is the asset that Gelato will sell. In my case, it's Ether. And then you have the debt token, which is the one that will be repaid. And my debt mainly consists of USDC, which is why it's displayed here. And then there's the two most important parameters, which are the minimum and the wanted health factor. So the minimum health factor is the health factor at which you want Gelato to start selling your collateral token and paying off your debt. The wanted health factor is the health factor you want to get back to once your minimum health factor is reached. So for example, I'm going to set my minimum health factor to 1.2 and my wanted health factor to 2.0. And what this means is that once my health factor on Aave reaches 1.2, Gelato will take the corresponding flash loan amount to bring my health factor all the way back to 2.0. And for the type, you either want this tool to be implemented once or on a permanent basis. I'm going to go for permanent. So in total, Gelato will take a 0.19% fee if the minimum health factor of 1.2 is reached. And this fee includes your transaction fees and also possible slippage, I believe. So just make sure that all this information is correct. Once that's done, you want to press on protect. And then you want to pay the gas fees in Matic. So let me just do that. And then once that's done, you have just protected yourself from ever getting liquidated again on Aave on the Polygon network. If you enjoyed the content, feel free to leave a like, subscribe if you want, and let me know in the comments some video ideas you'd like to see me do in the future. Okay, thanks for watching.